Today I'm going to show you how to draw a hyper-realistic eye. For that, first you need to draw the basic outline with an HB pencil. Then we are going to draw the light reflections on the eye. Then we are going to draw the darker sides of the eye with a 6B pencil. We are using blending stems to blend each and every shadings. Then we are going to use a 4B pencil to draw the details of the eye. Then we are using a 4B pencil to draw the eyelashes. Then we are going to use an 8B pencil on the darkest places. Then we are going to use a 5B pencil to add more details. We can even use a usual eraser for more realistic detail. We are using a 2B pencil for the final details.